हौरजे नोय फॉर्मूला बुकता यावसे relative motion in two dimension में यावरा one dimension ताप लोग रे relative velocity in one dimension and two dimension relative velocity one dimension ताप लोग रे next vector ताप लोग रे को अदुगा river man problem मम्मा ले रे river अदुगा rain man अमगा river man अमगा अनि जे ताक हुआब्रा काला जे आब्रा हाइदिने कि one dimension की दिखाई ना opposite का चना बता रही when the two vehicle are crossing in the opposite direction their relative speed increases and high right abra हाइगी को अतोगा when the police is chasing a thief then their relative speed decreases yantai aina takim to khani ko nan mi ma chase bata radi you feel that your velocity is decreased it is due to relative motion concept हम लाती नेवा now when the sagi river में problem तो मतलब downstream upstream तो बड़ा तो बड़ा तो कि खली को there is along a speed of man and high right the rock other the sida when the man swim along with the flow is the mana row of the one will be the relative speed will be u plus v downstream speed and high right the rock the speed of the person will increase मांगी के लागू से v relative will be equal to क्या माना हुआ u plus v and किसी के योगनी से downstream में ना ही right bro downstream speed will be equal to this is u plus v ना ही bro right next हम कह रहे हैं when this person swim in the upward direction opposite to the flow the लागता रहती इसी के लागू से this will be known as upstream में ना ही right bro upstream में कह रहे हैं this is v minus u ना लागती bro याद रखो अगर whether the person swim along with the flow or against the flow it takes place along a straight path along a straight line and we know that if the motion is carried out along a straight line then that will be known as one dimension and high right bro one dimension confusion चल पे आते बा नन लागती जे river man से there will be two type of question लागती one will be based on your one dimension that is upstream downstream upstream water to downstream water together the man will be swimming along with the flow in one single straight line tabra chali aduga against the mana ising theater dugi irei dugi against the mana iroi bata ragasu if the person swim against the flow it takes place along a straight path the swim to grow that will come under your one dimension if you find upstream downstream that will be related to your one dimensional motion okay understand the way next one sidapul akisna pehla is I see mo hana ho gaya the river is flowing in which direction let us consider smile khabiro the velocity of the flow is u main ecology this is flow of water main ecology jagada jareko now the person has to cross the running water in the opposite direction from one bank to another okay nasai sidilai visna along with or against like that but in this case the person has to the water of the river is flowing along this direction this is north in ecology this is south in ecology from north to south the water is running swansi eneko and mana kenoto kisi ke you know the person has to cross it swani cross the utare direct opposite bank when this is seen bank mo idina draw river bank mani this is one river bank and this is another river bank Turendo, atang na achieve ba Turendo lalo ito. Cross the way. You have to cross the river. Sila cross the way wag mo natin ko along or opposite way ba niya mo. But in this case, in your two dimension, in your in this case, the two dimension, the person or the swimmer has to cross the river cross the running river se ma cross to होता है याद रहा ऐसी में तक तागे rainman तारोगे do you still want me to teach your rainman problem से ताम हो रहा कोई ना ऐ हिना मोटे पिरम के को rain से तारे कलजी when there is raining it will be falling vertically downward तारा कभी ना चो then in which direction you should hold the umbrella is on the or lining opposite of road the then something 5 inches fine 5 the 5 no yan ta bro like this understood to me now nang kari ba case manaji when there is wind naman lai taradi the rain will be falling along the direction of the wind nung city mai ke ta ko draw if the wind is blowing in this direction wind is not going to blow the boy that take the running set rain will be falling in this direction then can you hold the umbrella in this upright position sign pipe leya bro yaro loi chola ni ko adu ni ke ni rain and no na tarak mai kai sign ka no ta bra this is without sino kay witness say without no wind sino kay witness say sino with wind lak na tra say adu ko muye kasi see condition na what must be the position of your umbrella your umbrella must be more like this yaga da ya bro yarani ai is understood to me next up ani sudam yemo this is your case number 1 this is your case number 2 this is your case number 3 ne kala jeba now let us consider that there is no wind am talitre adu itadi for any standing person amagida the rain is going to fall vertically overhead ta pira to ukta tarakani ko adi swaina tarakani na tra for a standing person amagi ni ko now I know mo higi question that if the person is not running in this direction running in the forward direction or the person there man vehicle start already and he drive it with some velocity okay then can the person still hold the umbrella in the upright position no why question na sita ni vera kai yung sita betala sundang na bikes thong na maram kan ke dawi your rain seems to kayo gani fall from your hand direction swaina ta kuman man da yan ta bro ay nang na si wind layer kan swaina oblique ta tar ka do rain will be falling in the oblique direction whenever there is wind but under normal condition so ke dawi when the person is standing you will be holding the umbrella upright and by ganeba but kaiwa when the person is start running in the forward direction ma run to even though there is no wind the rain seems to fall in front of the person at oblique angle jema kana paisala ko man bro gari thau ka da koi umbrella fine thamba dekho ane plan to bro this is due to relative motion of the person and the rain kagadra yarani ko so we will be having this is known as these three condition will be known as rainman problem yagadra and it require deep understanding of vector concept so let me skip this one asi ai skip to thoge sita kuda ai matha sarani khara khangani kanguna it will be too difficult okay so let us skip this you may skip to thoge aduga sigi riverman jimti ai ta yadra gyadai ko yani se let us do your riverman problem yani ko yani se gawin tao mo hai ro ha si ko na takpira ke da ko na takpira ni to ana ka pero ni takpira ke personal ni takpira ke si tag ni tara gadi ai matam na ro now let us do your river muhari ne yes riverman Then the river is flowing with a speed of u nena khalazi yabra mana punna butu kai p u is taken as the speed of the flow and p bra velocity of the flow and p ko male u logra v logra U is taken as the velocity of the flow low. Magi river to ki magi apak pa se magi breadth se magi white se kya ne lower se get this is D ne lower se kya da bra adu itarti in order to reach this water will be flowing. See the water is there to flow to go to mo se here water will be flowing in this direction. Once it flow to go with what speed, with what velocity, it will be still U malakata na withdraw se understood to because this is U ya katra ya re. Here, see this way we say water will be flowing in this direction with velocity u lakatra la lahani. Yeah, they go. In order to reach this point B, which is exactly opposite to A, my opposite bank to reach to at what angle the person should swim. Mana swim to we say direct when swim to we are yaro. See the koi date de la experience to concept ni ko nupa is direct swim to the ma leader tomorrow guys say the person will be will be reaching at this point C. Instead of reaching this point B, the person will be drawn away up to this point C. Minus swim to the person will be reaching at this point C. Yani the person must swim up at some angle of the must swim up so that the person can reach the opposite bank. Opposite bank to reach the authority. This person cannot swim in this direction. See direction the swim to along the direction or inclined to the direction of the flow. Ising chili ma maiki on the iro bea deo. Ising chili ma maiki se see opposite the iro ga do deo. See mana iro ta se magi magi pattern swala kini mana swim up to reko swim up to matamda mana direct when swim up to namoy ko it will be drain away with mother drain to go to mana swim up to matam si drain to drain to last find ta yan ta bro ai se khang ni ko mana so the iro ka dunia se iro ka matam ka dorani se sunna straight the iro be roi there will be the effect of flow of the water si effect am lakti na ka see the smile lakti na ka se person ki speed to smile lakti ne ba water ki speed ka ya ba see smile si ta same bagi if the water is still water over the man will be swimming along this direction straight sa ka sa ro however now you say due to the flow water is the flow to in the smile ka this is point A, starting point is A na ta this is BM ta bro mas this start home tam do you get the concept here okay I is khanga khange ko now it is a very simple na the person will be swimming at an angle term angle this angle or this angle kp this angle of p the bra this is theta and p bro ganta bra tai ko the shortest distance ka marak level the white magi kano duga opposite bank the level shortest distance the person must swim at an angle theta with respect to the shortest distance or opposite point anything the level straight path am like bro see straight path se as the angle kya the you know theta the you medium ya katra ya what is given if we look very closely or very minutely then we will be having this is hypotenuse this will be perpendicular tabla and this will be your base type we will understand this diagram from two point of view one from our magnitude point of view and another from your vector point of view what will be the resultant between U and B vector then we put like this is vector now according to your triangle of vector addition kaya butare vector distance between the what must be the resultant. Resultant chekna mo gini. Triangle of one straight triangle are natro. If two sides are taken consecutively one after another in the same order ita dise amma lorga ma chapna natro clockwise logu natra adu ita di the remaining karamba side already the remaining third side must be taken in the opposite order hai natro. This is clockwise or anti-clockwise. The rotation is clockwise. Sai ta bata da bro. Sai clockwise sai ko. See clockwise bata bra. Adu ita ragadi the remaining third side must be taken in which direction? Opposite direction. Sai chapre abra da bra. This will give you the resultant. This is R vector is equal to U vector plus V vector. This is in terms of your Canada within us vector equation. Yaratra. I understand tau ngami. Adu di ko na sai explain tau ito. Real life ta kamay lai. The person will be swimming with a resultant velocity R vector. Yabra. Or you may write like this. This is V resultant answer. Abra bro. Resultant velocity. Do you get the concept here? Adu itadi why the person is reaching at this point B because of this resultant. Okay. Mag actually kay within us if there is no flow of water nang ising chelam datadi the person will be reaching somewhere here at this point di dama reach to mo bro ay iskam ro bang bro karingba if there is no flow of water ising chelam datadi nupa iro is from ma ke iro the person swim in this direction atra the person must be reaching at this point D. Okay, if there were no flow ising jab chelam drata agdi ma point D di yogodo neba adu mana som chena bana utan ke dawi kana mo the force mo pi flow water is na force mo pi da last ka ya b data bata da bro adu mobile ki result is one along this direction another along this direction and together these two will produce a resultant in the perpendicular direction or in the shortest direction. And with this velocity, the person will be able to cross the river in a straight or in a shortest distance or shortest path. Tamana cross the Guyabra or direct opposite bank to opposite the direct Ogumro. No money. Adudi, but I see the Kandu is with V resultants. With V resultants, this is the velocity in the top. Velocity with which with which the person can cross the river exactly to the opposite bank. Opposite bank to the directly mana cross the way are no. It is due to this V resultant. Okay. This is with respect to your vector notation. Now let us consider with respect to magnitude. I nani tayo say vector ki dadine nang yam section ka dog leva. It is it should be represented both in direction as well as magnitude. This is with respect to the direction. My direction like the resultant between U and V will produce final direction in this direction. So this direction this is exactly opposite to B tabra. Now in terms of magnitude, this is U lakra. This is V result and this is V this angle is theta tabra. Here very simple your sin theta will be equal to kya mane sin theta will be equal to U by V. Perpendicular by this is perpendicular tabra. U by V. Mana direction the person should in which direction the person should swim. The person must swim at this angle. Sin theta is equal to speed of the river divided by speed of the person. This is point number 1 to be remembered. Next the V resultant क्या माना नहीं? According to your Pythagoras theorem, then we put it as V square minus U square. Understood तो हम दे? See understand तो हम दे ना? According to our Pythagoras theorem क्या होगा तारे? V square will be equal to क्या माना नहीं? Hypotenuse square will be equal to base square plus perpendicular square ताब्रो U square plus V resultant हम ताब्रा square. अभी here V resultant will be equal to क्या माना नहीं बा? Root over V square minus U square हम ताब्रा याद रहा? अभी in terms of मागी के नोटो वरगा ना magnitude वरगा with what velocity? With a velocity root over V square minus U square. Separate कोई इरिजे हाई पैखाला confusion चल पे आते Sina this is for your better equation. Sina कई लाखवा for your calculation point of view. Every calculation will be done with respect to another magnitude तो बोला नहीं याद रखा अभी मन क्वेश्चन आ गया कहना सिवा with what velocity the person is going to cross the river in a direct straight path माना cross करना ना तो बनी with what velocity with v resultant क्या तारा ए ऐसे कहाँ निको that means in terms of your magnitude root over v square minus u square time तो क्या होगा तारे your time taken will be equal to the time taken to cross the river will be equal to क्या था वैसे river is the distance ना था अभी here time will be equal to distance divided by resultant velocity v resultant and it will be equal to क्या बात d divided by root over v square minus u square याद रखा यार next सब ये हूँ minimum time set Sina dari hai ni se sina this will be condition the shortest path of bro bro opposite path hai the shortest path taken by the swimmers na mana direct opposite the cross to uta the shortest path am tare ko shortest path ta mana sang diba matam se ke ni the time will be this question jani thong la kane ba Noi confusion सब पे आते हैं यहाँ जो मुन्ना किताब find out the time for the person to cross the river at the shortest path है तार दी you are going to apply this formula d divided by root over v square minus u square shortest है वही से कर हम मतलब लाके नहीं है तार दी it will come only when the river is flowing क्या तारा इसी चीज़ ना मतलब the shortest है consider तो वही वाले if there is no नंगी water nangi water se up the flow to grekalaji adu itar the person will take how much of time kya changani that will be the minimum time of ro see river se flow to grekalaji ba this is just like swimming pool ne khalo ko adu itar the very simple hoina minimum time will be taken if there is no flow ya tabra no flow itar the minimum time is when kana hadi no se when there is no flow. So हम तो लाते तार अगर दिखे अगर इसे u will be considered as 0 हम तारा u 0 लोगी ना तो ऐ जी इसी को चेंज रहता है दिमाग cross तो कुछ minimum time तो cross तो कौन दिना तो ऐ ऐसे understand तो कौन नहीं running water तो cross तो वैसे it will take time मतलब जंग नहीं है क्या ताई को however if the water is still water वो बता the person can pass it or can cross the river Harisi or can cross the swimming pool with what speed? With a speed he the rocket outdraw. Here this will be equal to time minimum is equal to क्या माना नहीं से d divided by root over v square minus 0 and this is d divided by v हम तारा. There is no need to find out the relative velocity. Relative velocity find out तो वही मथौ ता देवा. माना cross तो कोई से मागी normal speed तो cross तो रहा ज्ञात है को अभी आई ना last conclusion तानी नहीं चाहते ही नती है due to the flow of river the speed of the person is going to be changed by how much by root over v square minus u square नुपांग speed से होंगा speed होंगा direction होंगा होंगी माना तस्वीर में इलोई जब दी करूँ दिरोई the person actually swim in this direction with how much of speed v the flow बनता but due to the flow of river the direction and the speed of the person both change. The direction change to the straight path, change the we go. And with what velocity? the velocity change from v to kaya that change the way root over v square minus u square the change to bra to yan tadi ko adugu if this is still water ne nakhan bataradi the person will be swimming with his normal speed to swim to bina tro adu di magi sike lai se distance to kya tare distance is dm lakta bro my velocity kya no se this is v or speed of the person is dm lakta d our time is very simple kya la hai time is equal to d divided by v tabra ta bro time as I understand to me and this will be the minimum time so point to be remembered for this riverman problem se kai yan khang bata rahe mane tapiro shortest pathway hai tardi this will be for your running water hangata aduga minimum time hai kana ba minimum time hai tardi you should consider there is no flow of water to flow to be yaga yarani ko phuna change to dabra tawi kamaina change tawi magi distance divided by normal speed of the person aduga river flow to tardi distance divided by reduced value of the speed that is over v square minus u square okay yaga na al question ko po rasi sida kana kari khang do yauri 10 km per hour in still water pireko still water itadi v is given the value v is 10 pireko and the river flow at a rate of 5 km per hour pire wide of the river se kya nama piri je 2 km ma pibra pire if the boatman cross the river along the minimum distance is the shortest path se withdraw oirani then mana hangi kai no the time taken having no the you should apply this see formula to apply to withdraw for your question number 49 your time taken will be equal to smiley we are right tabro mana sali hari is kai no shortest path are the minimum distance are the abra tabro this will be minimum distance and minimum distance की condition the your 2 km divided by root over क्या लागत से what is the speed of the man 10 square हम लाख रहा like minus what is the speed of the flow that is 5 people throw 5 square so we will be having 2 divided by this is क्या था 100 minus 25 this is 75 so we will be having 2 divided by this is 5 root over 3 ni we have 25 3 are 75 था इतना and here this will be for 25 it will become 5 umla reko this is root over 3 याद रहा ऐस खंगनी next हम ये वो question number क्या नो question number 59 हम लाख रहा question number 59 दा apply to this है सीखी formula से apply तो use माना क्या फिरे D is given as mana piri 0.5 km ma pibra and the person can swim at a rate of v is equal to 2 ma pibra pi the bro 2 ma pire and what is the speed of the flow is 1 km ma pire the angle made by the direction along which he should swim so as to reach the exact opposite point my exact opposite point da na swim to get the kya da lani se your theta will be this angle theta sine of theta is equal to half of my theta bro answer for your question number 59 sine of theta will be equal to this is u by dm lakra but this will be sine theta is equal to half and this theta is equal to 30 in a pibra but this angle is 30 but usually mana kana elong ama hairam the bro magi reference point ka mai pyramid atan rito fresh to simulak tabra this is u mulak bro this is u so if we consider the vector conceivable long tarati river flow in this direction mulak right yan tai ko aduga men or the person person swim in this direction. Nang ising a sail my kay horizontal bra. Nupas irrigation incline on the chakra. Jali. Ado iti total angle se kya ata hai? This is 90 em la kadra lao bro. Man hangi se kare hangi no. The angle between the flow of the river and the speed of the person. Ado kya ata hai? 90 plus 30 it is 120. Understood to bra? Mana kari hai ki last line tak kari hai question number 59 is the question number 59 is the angle made by the direction with respect to the flow of water hai bra, flow of the river. That means the flow of river is with respect to horizontal direction atro. Adi my horizontal direction jiga actual direction of the person jiga the kya ho raha hai theta plus 90 ta bra. Adi ita dc na kayo dino. This theta is with respect to बनाओ you know shortest path natra aduga now we will say with respect to the now we will say with respect to flow of water is the logo taragati kya ho rani se this will be angle will be equal to kya manani se theta plus 90 mata agata withdraw man with respect to the flow of river river flow in this direction so it will be 90 plus theta that is kya tarani 30 plus 90 kya tara 120 ta bata bro but this is not required for your calculation in data this is required for your understanding yan ta te ko chang ise da mo lo ai te ko ai na hari me khangi ko mana with respect to river haram manina ne ngasai sin theta is equal to u by bcd kai no mana chatkadra phai ki 10 malanbel phai ki shortest path sida with respect to natro with respect to the shortest path it will be angle theta but with respect to the flow of the river it will be 90 plus theta yagadra I see mutang hairam dragadi I give from my side I want to give I mistake tarani aduna koi nutshell da I salam tang haige see kamaina pagani how to read this will be read as kamaina pagani basa relative velocity of A with respect to B. How this is obtained? Let me skip that portion. It will take 30 minutes of generally. So you should simply memorize like this VAB. This is lower case. This is the first letter. Second letter is B. Lower case. This is BA vector minus BB vector in a higher name. Relative velocity of A with respect to now within us B. How to write the relative velocity in terms of vector equation? The relative velocity of A and B will be written as BA minus BB, provided that A must be the first letter for lower case, B must be the last or the second letter for the yani smile itar di BBA ne itar di kamai ba BB minus BB hayra fast lakh pa second lakh pa hayra ni BC di kamai bata rahe BC minus BD. This is only the vector notation katane ba yan ta magi actual implication to itak re skip to ba yan ta ka ay na si skip to rimon se kay ginata di it is too long yam sangem ko. Let me do one question based on your relative velocity, simple relative velocity vector dazu hang bagi vector hyperharam bo ani ko. Question number 48. Yo, question number 48. 48 is the man a boat is sailing with velocity velocity 3 I cap plus 4 j cap with respect to the ground and natra adu here he main hanasi he main to kya ma is this is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap yakatra adu what is the velocity of the river the river is equal to kya manam se this is equal to kana p minus 3 I cap minus 4 j cap p the rock I exactly ko adu start here how will you find out the relative velocity of the boat yo relative velocity of the boat with respect to the water or with respect to the river kana na han batare rw ni gidra which one will be correct atang paro last line atang paro to pa diya roi man harin ji kare haram ni adu gi matung ina koi decide to godi natra relative velocity of boat and have natra boat se ko na main and lo so abra b na nan ase ka fusion chatura na let me put it as boat in a b ma ha page adu will it be bm or sorry br ma will it be br or will it be rb which one will be correct man here is a relative velocity of the boat with respect to the river and have natra adu itadi mag upper the e se odi natra this will be equal to kya man ne wasa vb minus kya lakpa v river ya laga hai bindo option miro minus now this will be also minus 3 I cap plus 4 sorry minus kya lagpa se 4 j cap yagra adu here we will be having 6 I cap plus 4 j cap but in your option I think they have given this in terms of magnitude tapibra magnitude tapiram dumale vector ram pirava vector piri finish jane ne kari no ne yer ho de na to hai gadra ro to adu mana si magnitude piram tarati kay magini se root over 6 square plus 8 square hai kidra ro this is a vector amagi hoita and how to find out the magnitude you take the square root of square sum of the coefficient 6 square plus 8 square yadra and this will be equal to kya taba root over 100 tabo and this will be equal to 10 number ta gadra yagadra mana piram je 10 meter per second piram ko answer je ya gani option je in terms of kano the piba ma vector notation na piba ma in terms of magnitude the piba ma ya gadra ya re hangani now mathang sidi noi ko pita ko to bani magi question number when what is a si mo ko siya maru wai question number 52 question number 53 question number 57 question number 58 60 la is a collision na lakadi ni collision in two dimension basic concept ya han start ho je ko nana mi ani collide to na ge meet to na ge hata ikari karam condition le hota hai for the collision or for the meeting we must have a fixed point fixed time yo noi na 7:30 da lao ai na 4 am 4 pm da la age same classroom da koi meet to na gadra to na roi that means your meeting should be at a fixed point at a fixed time ya gadra thengna mi una bai si mu ke doge nangi mafam duga timing duga chap chana gadi natro ama khai goi di natro same time same spot ya gadra ya ni koi hai se adu ga amu yemo same time same spot hoi tar ne nang na son kan chalo you go in this direction and your person B go in this direction at the same time will there be any meeting ya ro art is round, so they will be meeting somewhere right in Kandreko. Ay, sige, anda bra. Ado si tasing bagi di in our reality di kamaina hame tare. Nang meet tong naghai ta di the necessary criteria si kari ko bitai. AM sile record. Si simple logic ne tai fish natri ko. AM ne PM ne khala jeba. Case number 1 da A ga B ga meet tong nangi ke de kamaina to utare. Meeting condition है ना what are the favorable condition for meeting same direction जो जाबरा same direction meet तो ना भी है तब A must be faster than B A ना B A is ना B देखिए ना faster होती ना ड्रॉ अगर this is 5 kilometer per hour C ना B is ना क्या अलग से this is your case number 1 निको B must be of 2 kilometer per hour जाबरा तबरा case number 2 tadi irrespective of the magi speed to tartar tadi A and B or will be moving in kanaiba opposite direction tab na chakkera phamang if one is at rest or if another body is moving slowly it doesn't matter effect of dekho nang ji phamag lai ne ai sun la ke mit taw na ga taw na ni nang su kam taw ai su forward on sajana ra je mit taw na bra taw ni yan dai ko ai ri se sig the speed to na depend taw ke this is favorable bra boy ne mito na bai ni ko collision ki next na om su jong la si condition da let us consider the favorable condition ha na lo je favorable yan ba yan ani sidale bisda B is na sam chakre kala ji if B is moving in this direction in the upward direction chale kala je ko adu di A must move in this direction. Si chala di move to gaya brother ra. Ay si kung bro. Hai di ama ko sa same direction, opposite direction. Adu ba next na kay word B is moving perpendicularly upward on the chakra tabra. Chali. Adu tadi A must move towards the direction of B. B na chali ma kay si pla. Nga gaya brother bro. Nang sunda lo ba. Nang sunda chale ba. Nang chale ay sundi si enda lo ka gaya brother bro. Oblique to na sa meet to na suya ina gyan ta bro this is also still favorable bro oy gyan ta next song ye ngasi sina favorable case मैं आप ताक दिया है अदुगा हम ये हो case number 4 हम तो माइला को यार है सी जो favorable हो bro इधर bro oy Smina converse to no se bit to no din tro is so favorable yeah next up non favorable mu lo ri ko study am data oi si han khong ko tai non favorable condition ji da aina harak ti jo A this is case number 1 mobile is bit to no ga nang na su speed to hendre habidi mabani speed to same speed lebra lai adu itadi nang any learning ba matam ma long jo no ba B duga B will be always ahead of A dagi di B na do mamang thara chat krania ba gyan ta bra ai es khangi ko adu itadi mabani mit to na gadra ta na ro yaad re ko se ai se same direction da if they have the same speed when a sidekari hai amana 5 le loi amana 2 le loi natra but sigi case tadi if 5 kilometer 5 meter per second 5 meter per second hoita they will be constantly maintaining the distance of separation ba ge han lejer ba separation na to maintain tawani meeting tawro yai ko sigo concept clear karo lege do things kham do ba next ta ani sugla mu yemo smina khan me abe case number 2 da same direction da roi tab ni ko sigi di mit to nagala ni je mit to nagatro se tawro no nan jusan kansa kroi jusa so kansa ke parallel ke sata dc mit to na brane tawro tin ya darni ko se next om subda mus minus logo di apa mit to nagatra tawro no ya ra simple logic ni ko si kari yu yaw ni yaw tre yo re ko adu itadi let us find out the condition for collision की उत्तर लवस यानी कंसेप्ट दिखा के को अगर नंगा जस्ट फेवरेबल कंडीशन की कमाई तो बता रहे mainly when I is this one and this one. See, for the three is the last. Rocket ama swine the pilot aeroplane enemy की plane the swine pilot कल सी rocket से angle क्या था ना launch तो question हम लाख में अब मैं jet fighter swine pilot इसलिए अपना swine चुम ना काफर पे तो पाल हुए को अरे इधर डी swine काफर को तो अपना था like this okay rocket and rocket का jet fighter का hello Minum ये चलो आई नहीं ये तुम ये तुम ताना तुम समझ लो si mo mabani si kray da rocket ni si kray da lak ni system ni to no they will be meeting at this point okay from simple diagram simple concept hange now let us consider this is theta 1 and khalazi and this second rocket makes an angle theta 2 then we have to find out the condition for collision to occur okay so before doing that the my hapani your v1 will be resolved into two component karma component the result to hota hai it will be resolved as v1 kanala karni v1 this is cos of theta macro v1 cos of theta and what about your vertical component this will be your v1 sin of theta 1 and ibya gadra yarani and what about your sig kya tha ba this will be v2 sin of theta 2 mein ibya bra this will be kana ordination and this is your v2 cos of theta and here we resolve v1 into two component v1 cos theta and v1 sin theta like that v2 is also again resolved into v2 sin theta 2 cos of theta 2 lakra and how many components do we have here kya le rahe all together 4 of the like the bro of this 4 2 will be favorable for your collision and 2 will be non favorable karam hoy gani amta hai no favorable for collision de kara hoy di no it will be v1 and v2 will be favorable for collision yabra v1 sin theta 1 v2 sin theta 2 mobile is minus ki bata will there be any collision that means your vertical components hai these are non favorable components bro bro क्या तय कोई हरी से न अनी से a का b के से सोन सुन चला में खल्लो बा सिने सुन चला ताने मबानी कोलिजन सुन तो को रोय बा अदो दी सोन का से पानी से लोगों को कर तो बरा अंडरस्टूड तो होगा में याद रहा हंगनी now smile lower see what will be the relative velocity along the vertical direction relative velocity along vertical direction अंतर है vertical direction this is relative velocity is equal to क्या नाम मानेंगे v1 sin of theta 1 minus v2 sin of theta 2 do you understand this step सिखाऊं तो ब्रा करेगी नो just like पुलिस का थिप का या ब्रा same direction the sir पता रहती what is the relative velocity in one dimension when ना राइट तो same direction से ता u minus v ता ब्रा right अदुना c is the v1 minus relative velocity along the vertical direction will be negative of one another v1 sin theta minus v2 sin theta and this must vanish si mang di metro ay has kya da bro ani se leibam thokte ba we should not have this two ani se leibam thokte ba leibam thokte mean kai uta se our relative velocity in the vertical direction must be equal to 0 yaad rakha aina hai khang what is step number 1 step number 2 the kai lag tare relative velocity along the vertical direction will be equal to 0 0 ta ko ni ya gyan ta ka ai hai khang ko sigi fast the darkar hoina ta de seconds ni amaro is relative velocity along the vertical direction must be 0 because if we have relative velocity along this direction there will be no collision of the four these two are unwanted atro unwanted must be 0 ta bon thukto yan dai ko adu itati relative velocity along the vertical must be equal to 0 and from here see kai tarani se nagi number 3 da v1 sin of theta 1 minus v2 kela se sin of theta 2 is equal to 0 tagada tarani yan dai ko se adu itati here this will be v1 kanala ko se sin of theta 1 equal to v2 sin of theta 2 tagada dabra that means this simply implies that vertical velocity components hai vertical velocity component of object 1 se object 1 must be equal to vertical kanala se component of object 2 gyan darna adu din na simple oi log pi se minus log 0 anisda collision thok hai ta ke dogta hai what is the favorable condition for collision there must not be any vertical component am ta leibe ati favorable hai di koi gi only the nangi existing do log din atra adi we must not have v1 sin theta and v2 sin theta do lei da bani ha bani ba ya kata gyan dai ko se adu itadi your second option da kamai la hai mathematical point of view do log ko tara kadi 0 charana ka na kai pange vertical component of 1 is equal to vertical component of 2 only then you will be having collision ya kata ai understand to bro kanga ni ko nang sipa ko ta kamai sipa poli collision to kya itadi relative velocity along the vertical direction is 0 anka you are looking for mathematical point of view if the vertical component of this object and if the vertical component of this object are equal there will be collision that is the meaning ya kata yare ko si confusion laitre sida kari khang ryo sai da confusion chat male jeremy do you have doubt over here
No, sir.
Hirani ko see this is only the deduction that they have deduction to ki koi na interpret to dare next number 4 dal is a point number 4 along horizontal नंतर x axis लावले जी को सी दी क्या तानी what will be the relative velocity my relative velocity क्या ताबा will it be positive or negative एडिशन तो बिना तो कोई गाड़ी लिए थोड़े नंबर तक स्पीड तो निकल आई ना ध्यान देखो when these two are opposite to one another their relative speed increase तो विको सीखे रानी से v1 cos of theta 1 plus मतलब v2 cos of theta 2 लाख pra लाई time तो क्या है था कि लानी से time will be equal to distance of separation divided by relative velocity याद रहा yes in your one dimension so it will be d divided by v1 cos of theta plus v2 cos of theta 2 ay ito ito ay ऐसे कमोर को अरे point हो पता नहीं को collision दाना में remember तो दीजिए vertical velocity must vanish मान बताए vanish तो क्या है था we must have the same component next point number 3 करी हुई रही point number 3 the vertical component of the two object will be equal next point number 4 the kelani along the opposite direction the relative velocity will be simply the addition तौरनी time का नाम होनी time will be equal to d divided by relative velocity अतो दी हो आई के नमाई के सीधेना सीबुक चलपा मतमदा सीधेना सीबुक चलपा मतम क्या अंशा करी अथा है A will take how long, B will take how long to reach at this collision point. My collision point here, no one of the matam kaya changani. It will take this time. See, matam changan the same wrong. Yata this is time t. See, then see picture for time t, and this will be also time t. Yata and this time t is calculated from here. Direct. Angka wala ka kung yata sa kani. Sunod sinilok aduga kind of the EXC. Question number 52 the diagram action. It is too difficult and low equal. I don't think question number 52 is Amana velocity ke other projector you know. One is A is projected with velocity A is projected with velocity u1 at an angle 60 degree. Hangiko and B is projected with velocity u2 vertically upward natra. For the collision of A and B, one must be the ratio of u1 and u2. u1 and u2 की ratio से क्या क्या आता कि have नहीं हो. याद ना diagram में ये लगे. Adudhiya motion. For the collision to occur, then we must have vertical component of both. The object must be equivalent. Adudhi, do we have vertical component for B? Horizontal component like this. Alma this U2 is purely vertical or bro. Purely vertical amata for B. But for your A, it will have both horizontal as well as vertical component. This will be U1 tana within a sec also 60 degree tabra. Next said this will be U1 tana lakwa sine of 60 degree according to our concept number 3 vertical component of velocity for particle number 1 must be equal to vertical velocity component for particle 2 we must have component of vertical velocity of A will be equal to vertical velocity of dm bro. What is the vertical velocity of A? U1 sine of 60 degree. And what about vertical velocity of B? This is purely vertical and it doesn't have horizontal component. This is U2 we will be having U1 divided by U2 and this is sine 60 degree root over 3 by 2 tabra. Over 3 by 2 nacho. This is equal to 1. This is taken over here. So this is U1 by U2 is equal to 2 by root over 3. Finish. Count ko. Yani ka ko. Next question number 53. Aro ko kambu to 53 tayo na chalo. I don't see two dimension ta ko the circular motion na heng dagi start rawani ko Masi what is we are going to do only question number 57 and the 58 tawrani. Out of this two I na to only question number 58 che ta tawrage aduga simbe ani. Question number 53. B की velocity तो कोई नंगी question है कितन मयक सिंह देखो अगर V1 है नहीं लो याद कर रहा यार है माँ question हम तो पार गए हैं two boys standing at A and B on a ground where A and B is separated by a distance small a सिले इसे A है वो B है वो point सिद्ध है नंगी पाम सानी ले रहे हो there are two persons at A and B and initially they are separated by a distance a hanga diko adu man muhari se ke hare B start running in a straight direction perpendicular direction the man run tawe yan da understand tawe adu itadi A must run in which direction A must run in the direction of B na chili direction run tawra S in the diagram understand tawe with what velocity V then man hangi se kari hangi no question is what will be the time taken by A to catch B A and B will be meeting at this point C the meet to nabi natra adi time to kya hoye kya simultaneously when start to study from A to C this first person will be taking time t ma kadum to gadra to ro eh understand to nabi ko man start of the ready 1 2 3 as a second start now reprise ko matam da B start running in this direction A start running in this direction ra adu simultaneously when they start from a fixed time matam mamta simultaneously we start of the they will meet after 5 second meeting point je na meeting time se fix hoye ke have hai bro hai ko adu if they started from the same time then they must be running for the same duration that is the concept ai is bro start to ko jamana ne start to ine ba sida ready 1 2 3 anga nang signal p matanda A start running B start running simultaneously and what will be meeting at this point C so that A will be taking the same amount of time as that of B. Yan ta ra. The C you can tell this is so to tell T but chang the strong draw. And we have to calculate this time T. Ya ta understand the woman miko. Very simple enough. What about your AC? AC ki kya mana ni? Something I know. Velocity is given. Time is considered to be T. No, again we put it as B T any we are Dari ko, aduga sidhi kya laye? Sidhi ne ai ke no khai kya? For the pali. For the collision to occur, for the meeting to occur, particle velocity component of A must be equal to particle velocity component of B must be equal and have natra. But here in this diagram, do we know the angle? Angle piram bro, piram de angle piram the meena we cannot apply this formula apply to deva. If we know this angle, then we can easily calculate by taking this particle velocity of A is equal to particle velocity of B. Ya gadra? Ya kani. Ado mana si film the meaning ke hota hai. We have to go in the indirect way to pata hai. Ya bra. From here to here what is the distance? Kya ho gani? Tm la kya bro? From here to here this will be kya tarani se from B to C B1 tm la bra. What about your AB? AB से क्या पीले? AB is equal to small a p रवा. That means we complete one right triangle हम complete तो रहो. AC remain hypotenuse. AB becomes base over it. BC become perpendicular रवा. Other that it can we have this as AC square equal to AB square plus BC square and यहाँ पे आपका by Pythagoras theorem. simple होना AC की क्या आता है ऐसे B square D square AB की क्या आता है ऐसे A square हम लाख plus BC की क्या ना B1 square this is D square हम तारा so from here T is to be calculated और बनी ना and we have this one याद रखिए यार बच्चों this term and this term contain time so this is transferred over here so it becomes minus 2 देखो time t तो square common लोगे the over time t will be equal to क्या मान रही है over a square divided by b square minus b1 square क्या कहता understood तो वो हमरा यार देखो my option तो कितना misprint तो है तो चेस को option number 4 kita a square हम चलो